Removing the side skirts from the Chevy Cobalt SS, and the first thing I'm going to do is remove the two 7mm bolts, one on each end. When you remove the side skirt, you just pull it out and then push forward towards the front of the car. Pull out slightly, give it a little hit, and it just pops right off. This one looks like it's in really good shape, and the best thing is it's the same color as the car I'm putting it on. There's one. Let's go grab the other one. Removing the second 7mm bolt, and I already removed the one on the front side of the side skirt. Slightly pull out on the side skirt and give it a little hit going forward, and it pops right off. There we go. This side skirt looks like it's in really good shape as well. Now I'm going to go around and remove all the clips, so I'll have the side skirts and the clips to go on the next car. These you just push down there like that with your trim removal tool, and it pushes in the little tabs. Cobalt SS air box is usually where the windshield washer fluid is. It just takes 3 10mm. There's the mass airflow sensor. Still have a lot of parts I want to come back and grab. I need to grab this intake manifold for the supercharger. I already have the supercharger and the fuel injectors. Then I need to grab, let me see, I definitely need to grab the alternator and the tensioner and all the bolts that go with it. I'm going to try to get the F35 transmission as well. We'll see how much of this goes and how quickly. It's going to take me a few days to grab everything I need.